What's up guys, my name's Samby and today I'll be showing you some cool things to have in your house. Some of them may basically give a realistic feel, and some are just really cool and things that you should have in your world. So without further ado, let's get into today's episode. So here we've got normal chairs. Oh, basically this whole section is with chairs, and then we've got tables and other stuff. So here we've got a stair block with some signs on the sides. One of the most commonly used chairs. Here we've got a stair block once again with a door on the back, which makes it look like a high chair. Here, instead of using a stair block, I've used a half slab, which makes it seem a little more clean. And here is the same thing as this, but I just added a banner to look like a cushion. Over here I used scaffolding with a trap door on it, which looks like a chair, except it does look quite weird when you use it. So it isn't the best of functional chairs, but it still looks pretty sweet. Oh, sorry about that, I just lost control of my mouse. Here I've used an upside down barrel with a trapdoor on it, so because the top gives like a cupboard feel. Oh, I should add that. I should have added that. I just realised. So it gives like a cupboard feel, but this gives it like a nice clean feel instead of having a handle in the middle of your chair. Here is just a barrel. It will work really well if you have some sort of vintage pub, which I've got a table over here which will work really nice with it, with this design. So over here we've got a fence post with a carpet on top and with a trapdoor. Here I've used the lectern, which is a very, very weird block for using as a chair, but it works significantly well with a trapdoor on the side, on the back of it, so it has a backrest. Here I went for an outdoor chair, so we used an extinguished campfire with with trapdoors around it. I keep on forgetting that they're trapdoors. So with trapdoors around it. Here I've used the composter with a carpet on the top and a trapdoor. Over here we've got the same thing as the campfire one, except instead of campfire I've used a half slab. Here I've decided instead of making like small 2-block chairs or something, I decided we should have some slightly bigger ones so that I can give you some inspiration. Here we've got a pretty basic wooden throne, and over here we've got a nice detailed vintage throne, which is really, really nice if you're building a rich lord's house. So now we're going over on to the table. So this is a pretty basic one. You've got a fence post with a trapdoor on it. Here we've got one that spawns in NPC villages, so you probably know about it. So here we've got a fence post with a pressure plate on top. This will work really well if you're going for a colourful build. It's very, very different than the others, and it will give your world the type of uniqueness that you will want. So basically I've used a orange stained glass with orange carpet on top, and you can be free to use whatever colour you want as it works really well. Here we've got an old table using trapdoors and fence posts. I've used 2 trapdoors stacked on top of each other to give the more structural feel, so it doesn't look like it will break at any point. Here I've got a modern table. I've used barrier blocks which are not available in survival, so if you have to use string instead, but overall it looks really nice because the rails are leading. It looks like they're supporting the carpet on top, which acts as the table head. So let me just get rid of this barrier block. So over here we've got a simple but nice table using upside down stairs. Over here I've got an office table which is really nice. So it works well in the office. Wow, that sounds very weird. Here I've got a table which I showed you earlier on, to say that it will work really well with this chair. So if we head further back into this table, I just use barrels and some carpet on top. Here I ran out of ideas completely. So and this was the last thing on my mind, a hanging table. So you just need 2 iron bars on either side and a carpet with some string, or if you're in creative, a barrier block. So now we've got some furniture design. So here we've got a shelf, pretty normal. Here we've got the office table from earlier on. Here I've got a 1-block painting with a carpet on the same block as that 1-block painting. Oh, I should get a new carpet. So I use black carpet because it looks like keys. So we just got a normal 1-block painting, and if you can see on this hard slab, I place down a carpet. I get myself the laptop, but you can also add a button which gives a look, which looks like a mouse. So you got a laptop. Here I've used some paintings, because paintings are nice to use once in a while, and no, there are no hidden entrances here. Over here I've got a toilet design, as the stone grinder looks like a toilet roll. And here we've got the composter, which you can fill up with when you fill it up with compost, it looks like someone's done their business inside. And also I've used a trapdoor to hide the mess. Here we've got a hopper running into your wall block with a sea lantern on top to give some light. Over here I've got a iron bar holding this sea lantern. For here I used the same thing with the hopper running into the wall, but instead of using a sea lantern I've used oak leaves. Here I've used a cauldron because to act like a flower pot with some this nether noise. The nether portal's getting on my nerves. Here we've got we've got some oak leaves to act as a bush or the plant, which again this works really well as a flower pot. Here we've got a fence post which looks like a stem of a tree with some oak leaves on top, makes a beautifully thin tree. Over here, this is the grand design. So we've got an what do you call it? Ender dragon egg, which with like a fake portal surrounding it, and some end stone to give the design. But the main feature of this is the particles, because by itself the Ender Dragon egg does not produce these particles, and instead